All right, real quick, I got to tell you something. This is really interesting, and here's why. We formed a company called Inktavo. You may have heard of it, but it has 3 different brands right now: Printavo, InkSoft, and GraphicsFlow. We're all sister companies now, a big happy family. What we're able to do is Printavo's managing your shop management and workflow organization. InkSoft can run your website and handle online stores at scale, so running multiple different stores for fundraisers, schools, company stores, and everything in between. And GraphicsFlow is a brand new product to be able to help reduce all the back and forth with art. So it has a huge art library that you can put on your website so customers can see and pluck what they want. Plus, you can also be able to collect different ideas and send them to customers to approve as well. Really, really cool. Plus, in-app editing. It's like Canva, but specifically for shops. All right, check it out. All those brands are on Inktavo.com. That's Inktavo.com. All right, thanks.